This AEG induction hob has a sleek and modern look, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen counter. MaxiSense detects the sizes and shapes of your cookware and automatically adjusts the power to send heat directly to the base, so you're achieving the best cooking results with ease. Direct access heat controls make navigating cooking zones and temperature levels easy. Simply touch the correct level on the slide control and boil, sizzle or fry to your desired temperature. The cool to touch design ensures that the area surrounding your pans stays cool, allowing any spillages to be wiped away easily, preventing mess from being burnt on, so your hob area looks clean. Thanks to its sophisticated design, this powerful induction hob from AEG is sure to complement your existing kitchen decor.